So first write the solution. Now take the LHS here. LHS is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Okay, here inside the root 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta is there. Now we are going to take the conjugate here. So into 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So all those things inside the root. So here a minus b is there and a plus b is there. So we know the formula a squared minus b squared, which is going to be right a minus b, a plus b. Now apply the formula here. LHS is equal to root of 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 squared minus sin squared theta. So we know the identity sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. So now we are going to take here sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. We need 1 squared minus sin squared theta. So 1 minus sin squared theta like that. Okay. So see here, if you take cos squared theta here, so 1 minus sin squared theta. So where 1 minus sin squared theta is there, now we are going to substitute cos squared theta. So take LHS again, root of 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So divided by all the values inside the root cos squared theta. Then so LHS is equal to, finally we got root of 1 plus sin theta into again 1 plus sin theta divided by cos squared theta. So LHS is equal to root of 1 into 1, see 1 into 1, 1, 1 into sin theta into 1, sin theta into sin theta. So 1 into 1, what is the answer? 1 into 1, 1 plus sin theta plus sin theta plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. So LHS equal to root of 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. So see here one formula, 1 plus sin theta the whole squared, 1 squared plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. So where 1, see 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. Where 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta is there, we are going to substitute 1 plus sin theta the whole square, because this is a plus b the whole square formula. So now apply here LHS equal to root of 1 plus sin theta the whole squared divided by cos square theta. Okay, which is going to be, remove that root, 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta, okay, whole squared into 1 by 2. Okay, this root is converted 1 by 2. So now these 2's are cancelled. Finally, we got 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Now LHS is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta, which is going to be right LHS equal to 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So further we are going to simplify this, 1 by cos theta, which is going to be right secant theta, sin theta by cos theta, which is going to be right tan theta. Okay, here I take LHS. After simplification, we got RHS. Hence proved.